Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have two amazing scholarship opportunity to share with you guys. So coming to the very first scholarship, that is Foundation for Excellence Scholarship for Technical Courses. So this scholarship program is offered by the Foundation for Excellence to deserving students from financially challenged backgrounds. If we consider the eligibility criteria for this scholarship, then in that the first condition is the students pursuing BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MBBS, BPharm, LLB are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Second is you should be in your first year when you are applying. Third condition is you should have completed your 12th after the year 2021. Fourth condition is your family income should not be more than 3 lakhs rupees. If you are doing BE, BTech courses after completion of diploma on lateral basis, then you are not eligible for this scholarship. If you are pursuing the courses like BArch, BDS, then also you are not eligible. Here the maximum eligible rank for the particular course category and states is given on the website. Like अगर आपने JEE Advanced दी है and on that basis you got admission in IIT, so your all India rank should be in first 20,000 in general category. Like this for each eligible course and states the maximum eligible rank is given, so while applying for this scholarship you need to check this. The link I am sharing in the description box, do check with that. Now coming to the list of documents. So first your 12th mark sheet, second your entrance rank certificate, third counseling letter for seat allotment, third is your family income proof, fifth is your e-Aadhaar or scanned copy of your original Aadhaar, sixth is your tuition, hostel, mess paid receipts, seventh is your bank passbook, copy from bank account details confirmation, eighth is your bona fide certificate issued by college, ninth is your fee structure for the course issued by college, and 10th your parents or guardians declaration. So here the list of documents is mentioned, you can check this also. Now coming to the application process. So to apply for this scholarship, first you need to fill up with all the details and then submit it. Afterwards you need to register. आपने जो नंबर मेल आईडी अप्लाई करते वक्त यूज़ किया है दैट ओनली यू हैव टू यूज़ हियर while registering. Once you start with the fresh registration, then this form will open. You need to fill up all the details in the form and submit it. So the last date of application for this scholarship is 31st December 2023. Now coming to the second scholarship, that is Nirankari Rajmata Scholarship Scheme. So this is an opportunity offered by Sant Nirankari Charitable Foundation to students pursuing technical or professional courses. So this opportunity is for the meritorious students to provide them the financial assistance. Coming to the eligibility for this scholarship, so it is open for the students who have been admitted to central state government recognized institutions or universities in the engineering, medicine, MBA or PGDM, architecture, CA, CFA, LLB and journalism and mass communication course. Second is you should have 90% or above marks in class 12th examination. Third is you should have admitted to the course through a competitive written test. अगर आपकी admission through management quota, convener quota और any other quota method से हुई है, so except written competitive examination, then in that case you are not eligible for this scholarship. Fourth is your family income should not be more than 3.5 lakh. If you are taking benefit of any other scholarship, then you are not eligible to apply for this scholarship. If you are pursuing your graduation from online or correspondence mode, then also you are not eligible for this scholarship. Now coming to the list of documents required for this scholarship. So first is duly filled in and affixed photographed application form on the prescribed format for each academic year. Then mark sheets of all previous academic qualification starting from class 10th. Then your past certificates of class 10th and 12th examination, pass 90 marks or more in class 12th, then a copy of latest pay slip, then a certificate by institution stating that the candidate will not has not been granted scholarship under any scheme of other private organization or religious or spiritual organization or government authorities and has not taken the admission through management or convener quota or any other quota. Then affidavit then copy of results of all semester examinations passed, then copy of latest fee receipts issued by the university and institutes, then details of fee including tuition fee, library, hostel, books, etc. duly signed by the principal or administrator of the institute may be attached with the application. Then your copy of passbook is also required, copy of bank statement of your family members, your admission slip, your copy of ration card or Aadhaar card is also required, and copy of letter received previous year from education department is also required over here. So here you can see the list of documents is already mentioned. The link I am sharing in the description box. You can check with that also. So you need to attach all the documents in the application form, and in the checklist tick on the documents you have attached. All the documents should be self-attested. If your form is incomplete, then it will not be considered for this grant of scholarship. Now coming to the process of application. So the last date of application is 30th November 2023. The result of scholarship will declare up to 31st January 2024, and the amount will be transferred in candidate's account, and you will get a reward of 75,000 per annum with this scholarship. You need to fill the application form with all the requisite documents and need to submit that to the Education Department, Sant Nirankari Charitable Foundation. The eligible students may have to appear for an interview before the Education Committee if required. So at that time you need to provide all the original documents in front of the committee, and second is you also need to show the self-attested documents which you attached on the basis of which you get shortlisted. So the link for both the scholarship I am sharing in the description box. If you have any doubts, queries related to this, you can let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.